This is alternative political analysis, and this video will be on the fact that Czechoslovakia was better. And a point I should make from the beginning is that the breakup of Czechoslovakia has worked out better for Slovakia than it has for the Czech Republic, as the gross domestic product graph on the right shows that Slovakia has consistently outperformed the Czech Republic, and as you can see from the boom and bust nature of capitalism, that both their economies took a hit in the global financial and economic crisis created by Goldman Sachs. In any case, a third of Czechs said they prefer the socialist Czechoslovakia in a 2013 poll. This was followed by a poll last year which said a fifth of Czechs saying that they preferred the socialist state of Czechoslovakia. In 2014, 2/3 of Slovaks, the country that has done better, as I have pointed out, 2/3 of Slovaks say Czechoslovakia was better. And it should be pointed out that one of the things that the Slovakians miss about Czechoslovakia was the fact that it had full employment. And this will help explain the next statistic. In a 2012 poll, half of Czechs said they wanted to leave the Czech Republic. This included 70% of Czech youths, so 70% of the Czech Republic's young people wanted to leave the Czech Republic 5 years ago. And this can be explained by this next statistic. In 2000, 72% of Czechs thought the economic situation and outlook was very bad. And this will help explain the next set of statistics, which gives weight to the fact that Czechoslovakia, or the argument, I should say, I believe it's a fact, but the argument that Czechoslovakia was better than the Czech Republic and Slovakia. 45% of Czechs are pessimistic about the economy. 36% of Czechs say the country is heading in the wrong direction, and 41% of Czechs say the country is going nowhere. And another point which gives credibility to the argument that Czechoslovakia was better is that the Czech Republic is the second most pessimistic nation on earth, second only to Greece. And as I said before, and pointed out with the gross domestic product graph on the right, Slovakia has done better than the Czech Republic since partition. 68% of Slovaks are dissatisfied with how democracy works in their country. And a fifth of Czechs and a fifth of Slovaks saying things are worse now than they were in Czechoslovakia. Just look at what happened to the Czech and Slovak gross domestic per capita after socialism, with the graph on the left. And basically, the black line I have made vertical is the point where these countries give up socialism. Look what happens after they give up socialism. Without fail, each one of them goes into a recession. Strange that. Also, look what happened prior to giving up socialism. Growth for every country, including Albania, which performed the worst out of the nations. Look which nation performed the best out of the nations on the graph. That would be none other than Czechoslovakia. And look how they compare with Hungary, Bulgaria, Poland, and Yugoslavia. They also do better than Romania. So we can debate the issue ad nauseum, but it is clear that Czechoslovakia was better than the Czech Republic or Slovakia is now.